You shouldn't use turkey door for your main entrance door where you know is not covered or the area is not covered. You can see this is a turkey door we remove. You can see, look at this. This is called MDF board. This is the property of MDF board, and with this board you can't use turkey door. It has a beautiful design, but it is designed with an MDF finishing. So this is why we always say you shouldn't use turkey door where rain is going to be falling directly on it. You can see, do you know how much they are selling this door in the market now? This door in the market is about, I think it's about 500k now. And the client have not even moved into the apartment. He's already changing the door. This is why most of the house project I've seen, people, the client have not moved in and their doors have already got damaged. This is why when you are selecting your door, you need to be very extraordinarily careful. It's not about being happy, it's not about being so eager to change to buy the door. It's about checking durability, resistance to weather condition, and also beautification of your main building. So guys, this is our building concept. You can only check us on 08064743744, 08280493914. This is the frame of the door. So this is waste. This is about 500k if you want to go to market, or 600,000 now. This is a waste of money. So don't buy turkey door where you know rain is going to be falling directly on your door. Bank wọlé jọ ẹ má wọrí ọ ní a máa sanwó làádà baálé ìjọba máa sanwó làádà fún.